How to fix Snapchat filters not working. In this video guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go and open apps option. Here you have to search for Snapchat. Click on it when you found it, then go to storage option. Here you have to go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, and click OK. Also click on clear cache and go back. Click on force stop and click OK. And now what you should do, the last step, you have to go to Play Store and update your Snapchat if it's not updated. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and also subscribing in our channel, and see you in another video.